I'm Brian Ivey. I'm a product operations manager at Google. The place had not been remodeled or updated in nearly 30 years. I had really outdated stylings. The colors were pretty unique, smaller bathroom. So feeling as much space as you can was really important. The initial search helped me whittle it down to a few contractors, which I called. I had them come out. And a lot of contractors were a little bit pushy. I don't like to be rushed into things like that. I want to make sure I'm making the right decision, take my time. Kobe didn't do it, which I really appreciated. I also liked that he had a project manager, somebody independent that I could speak to. And on top of it, he was licensed, he was bonded, he had insurance. He was really responsive and was very flexible. The other thing I liked was he could tell that this was my first time. So there were certain things that I was like, oh, okay, I don't think I'm going to do this. And he was insistent. It's something that's really valuable. It doesn't cost very much. It will be either no charge or minimal cost. Highly recommend it. And it turned out that he was right about a lot of them. They're some of my favorite features. One of them is that he put recessed lights in the shower and it's a motion detector. So it comes on as soon as you walk in. You can see it. It's overhead. It's really beautiful. I like that a lot. We debated whether or not to do the LED lit mirror. And that one is one of my favorite features. And everybody that comes up, it's a favorite feature, especially I live with my girlfriend and she loves it. It's great for her makeup, nice for when I'm shaving and things like that. As we went through the conversion from the tub to the walk-in shower, you have to go through an inspection process, make sure you're up to code and everything. And the one thing that came up was that the plumbing was not very good. There was too much blockage. And he told me that, hey, we advise that you get this done. And he wasn't pushy about it. He said, you can call a plumber and get them out here if you want, or we can have our guy do it. He's a licensed plumber, and the cost to doing it was less than to even go to Roto-Rooter. So it was kind of a no-brainer for me. For people looking for LA contractors, to my coworkers, and I recommend Structura. I know a few of my personal friends have reached out. I'm very happy with my bathroom, and it's a start of a remodel. And I've already begun to talk with Structura Remodeling about some other aspects too. So I want to redo my kitchen and looking at some other parts of the house. If I do, I'll be speaking with Structura. That was one thing that Structura Remodeling was really big on, was forming a relationship. You have many more years of home ownership. Let's keep that relationship alive and see if we can come to a mutually beneficial arrangement. I'd recommend Structura Remodeling because they're honest, they're upfront, and they're organized. So the project starts on time, the project finishes on time. They have documents that tell you what the expectations are from you, what the expectations are from them, which I really appreciate it. And everything is laid out in a way that's easily understandable, even if it's your first time.